To Flight from Conversation is an article by Sherry Tarkel, and it is about how this generation of people are losing their ability to communicate via face to face and how we are always communicating on social media websites. And it seems that I felt unhappy as I read what's written in the article. Individuals really more technology in order to communicate with each other. I agree with the points raised on the article. People nowadays are accustomed to a new way of communicating with each other, which is by using technologies. We have sacrificed conversation for near connection. We expect more from technologies and less from one another. This way of communication does not substitute for conversation. This doesn't work as well when it comes to knowing and understanding one another. I experienced some of situation is stated in the article. One of that is by sharing my thoughts and feeling using social media. I'm one of those people who are exhibiting the philosophy of I share therefore I am. It's just because I find it easy to express what I feel in social media. I use Facebook to express all sorts of thoughts and feelings. I'm not that open to my family. I share some of my feelings and thoughts to them, but I pick which topic I'm going to open with them. At first, I am open to my friends because I believe that they are concerned with me, but it's the exact opposite. That's the root cause of it. Since then, I began to know first if people who I considered friends are totally concerned with me. Maybe they just want to some gossip to talk about. I just keep my problem with myself, although I didn't share some my problem to my family and friends. Communication may have evolved, but we have lost the skill of conversation. This can be considered valuable, but still, it cannot substitute for conversation. People seek companionship instead of relationship. The author wants us to do something with this kind of communication. She emphasized that when we are communicating over the phone, we do not get the full sense of feeling or inflection of a person's words. By knowing the author's stance with this issue, it influenced by perspective and changed by my belief. I realized that technology is actually separating us from each other. We are investing less time with one another, and I learned that the most important way to communicate is by talking face to face.